Hi, my name is Kelvin Richards. I am a public defender here, a defense attorney here on Staten Island for almost a decade, and I'm here to talk about car stops. I'm here with my good friend, Joel Allen.
Hello, my name is Joel Allen. I've been a police officer for over 13 years. I'm here with my good friend Kelvin to give the public important information from the perspective of a police officer and a defense attorney on know your rights and being informed.
Yeah, thank you. We decided to do this Know Your Rights to inform people about how to interact with the police. And I think it's very important that you get both perspective from a defense attorney and a police officer. Joe is going to start us off with discussion with car stops.
There are multiple reasons for a police officer to initiate a car stop. First, it could be over a traffic or penal law violation. A car stop can also be initiated because a police officer believes there's reasonable suspicion that a felony or a misdemeanor is being committed or has been committed by an individual in the vehicle or the vehicle was a part of a crime itself. When being pulled over by the police, first, you want to put your car in park. You can even turn the ignition off. Second, roll down the windows so the officer can see in the vehicle. If it is dark outside, you might want to turn on your dome light so that the vehicle has light inside. Third, you want to be still. You want to keep your hands in plain view. For example, put your hands on the steering wheel. A car stop can be a dangerous situation for a police officer and the passenger or driver being pulled over.
Now, once the car is stopped, by law, the police officer cannot just search your vehicle. The police officer, though, can ask for pedigree information like your name, your driver license, or your car insurance. I always get a question, why are they searching my car? Or why is the police officer telling me to step out of the vehicle? Normally, for the police officer's safety, he may ask you to actually step out of the vehicle, or he might search or look around your grab area. That is places where your hand could reach because of the officer's safety and because of your safety. Second, the police officer could search your car if he or she sees visible items that are illegal in your car. For instance, drugs, guns, or things that are illegal. If they're in plain view, the police officer may search your vehicle. Also, the police officer may search your vehicle if you give consent. What is consent? If the officer asks you, can I search your car? And you say yes, that is consent. The police officer cannot search closed containers in your car for no reason. However, the officer could also try to look in your vehicle to make sure your grabbable area, meaning where your hands could actually reach, is secure. And the reason the officer could do that by law is for your safety and the officer's safety. So those are the times when the officer could actually search your vehicle on the scene doing a traffic stop. But if you're being arrested and your car is taken by the police, they could do an inventory search where they have to actually list everything that's in your vehicle. There, the officer could search the interior of your vehicle, the officer could search the trunk of your vehicle and closed containers to make sure everything that's in the vehicle is listed properly.
Just as Kelvin stated, those are the reasons for a search to take place of a vehicle. Also, if a police officer believes there's reasonable suspicion that, for example, a weapon is in the vehicle, maybe the driver or passenger is moving too much, they're reaching down underneath their seats, the police officer can search the lungeable, grabbable area in that vehicle. Hopefully this information makes car stops a lot more safer for police officers and the public.